Let me ask you something. How much money have you burnt on video ads that never even got seen? You hire a creator, wait weeks, pay a few $100 only to watch it tank. It's not your fault. The system is broken. Envision this. You're staring at your laptop screen at 2 a.m. Coffee going cold, credit card maxed out from another round of expensive video ads that flopped, harder than a fish on dry land. Your competitor just launched their third winning ad campaign this month, while you're still waiting for your UGC creator to send back revisions. Does this hit home? Well, I'm about to show you how one AI tool is completely flipping the script on video advertising, and why every smart marketer is quietly using it to crush their competition. I'm talking about the pain that keeps you up at night. The same pain that's been eating away at your marketing budget like termites in a wooden house. You know what I'm talking about. You launch a video ad campaign, drop $2,000 on production, wait 3 weeks for delivery, only to discover it converts worse than a broken vending machine. Here's what nobody's talking about. Traditional video ad creation is broken, completely, utterly broken. Allow me to give you an insight into the true dynamics at play within your beloved brands. First, there's the money pit. Every single video ad costs anywhere from $200 to $500 minimum. That's before you factor in the revisions and the back and forth emails and the inevitable creative differences that stretches your timeline longer than a Monday morning meeting. Second, there's the time trap. You brief a creator on Monday. They send you a first draft on Friday if you're lucky. You request changes, they disappear for a week, and suddenly your product launch is delayed because you're waiting on a 30-second video. All the while, your competition are testing 5 different ad variations while you're stuck on revision hell. Third, there's the testing nightmare. Want to test different hooks, different actors, different emotional angles? That's 5 separate creators, 5 separate budgets, 5 separate timelines. Your testing velocity moves slower than molasses in January, while your competition is iterating at lightning speed. But here's when you know you're cooked, crispy. You finally get your expensive video back, run it for a week, and discover the hook doesn't resonate with your audience. Now you need a completely different approach. Back to square one. More money, more time, more frustration. I've been in digital marketing for over a decade, and I've watched brilliant entrepreneurs burn through their entire advertising budget on this broken system. They have amazing products, killer strategies, but they're handcuffed by the old ways of creating video content. That's exactly why when I discovered Arcads.ai, my first reaction was pure skepticism. Another AI tool promising the moon and delivering a handful of dust. But then I actually tested it, and what happened next completely changed how I think about video advertising. Arcads.ai is doing something that seems impossible just 6 months ago. They're creating ultra-realistic AI actors that look, sound, and feel like real people. Not the robotic uncanny valley stuff you've seen before. I'm talking about actors so realistic that your audience won't even know they're AI generated. Here's how it works and why it's causing such a stir in the marketing circles. You simply type in your script, choose your AI actor from the library of diverse, professional looking people, select your style and tone, and hit generate. In less than 3 minutes, you have a polished video ad ready to test. But here's where it gets really interesting. Remember that $500 video that took 3 weeks? You can now create the same quality content for $11 in under 3 minutes. Let that sink in for a minute. And I know what you're thinking. There's gotta be a catch, right? Quality must be terrible, or it only works for certain niches, or there's some hidden limitations that make it useless for real businesses. So I decided to put it through the ultimate test. I created 5 different video ads for a client supplement brand. Different actors, different emotional angles, different hooks. Total cost, $55. Total time, 15 minutes. And the results? 3 of the 5 ads outperformed their previous best converting ads that cost them $800 to produce. But the real magic happens when you understand who this tool is built for. If you're a growth marketer, tired of waiting weeks for creative assets, this is your secret weapon. If you run an agency and need to test multiple ad variations quickly, this changes everything. If you're selling digital products and need fresh creatives regularly, this tool becomes your unfair advantage. What makes Arcads different from every other AI video tool I've tested? 3 things that matter more than everything else combined. First, the actors are genuinely realistic. We're not talking about obviously fake AI people that make your brand look cheap. These actors have micro expressions, natural voices, inflections, and believable mannerisms that make viewers connect emotionally. Second, You can create content in bulk. Need 20 different ad variations for your split test? Upload your scripts, select your actors, and let the system work. Come back in an hour to find 20 professional videos waiting for you. Third, the iteration speed is game changing. Don't like the tone? Adjust it in seconds. Want to test a different hook? Generate a new version immediately. The feedback loop that used to take weeks now happens in minutes. But here's what really sold. Last month, I was helping a client launch a new course. We needed video ads fast because the launch window was really tight. Their previous UGC creator was booked solid for 3 weeks. We used Arcads to create 12 different video variations in 2 hours. The winning ad generated over $40,000 in revenue in the first week. Now let me be completely honest with you. Arcads isn't perfect. No tool is. If you need highly specialized scenarios or very specific actor types, you might still need traditional creators. But for 90% of video advertising needs, this tool delivers results faster and cheaper than anything else available. The transformation I've witnessed in my own business and my clients' business is remarkable. We've gone from being stressed about creative bottlenecks to being excited about testing new angles, from worrying about budget constraints to freely experimenting with bold ideas, from waiting on another person's schedule to controlling our own creative destiny. This shift changes everything. When you can create and test video ads as quickly as you think of new ideas, your entire approach to marketing evolves. You stop overthinking and you start testing. You stop guessing and you start knowing what works. The smart money is already moving, while most marketers are still stuck in the old system. Paying premium prices for slow delivery, early adopters are using AI to test more angles, find more winners, and scale faster than ever before. Think about your business right now. How many great marketing ideas have you shelved because video production was too expensive or too slow? How many opportunities have you missed while waiting for creative assets? How much faster could you grow if your video creation wasn't a bottleneck? The businesses winning in today's market aren't necessarily the ones with the biggest budget. They're the ones moving faster, testing smartest, and adapting the quickest. Tools like Arcads are leveling the playing field, giving smaller businesses the ability to compete with enterprise-level creative outputs. But here's the reality. This window won't stay open forever. As more marketers discover these AI tools, the competitive advantage diminishes. The early adopters who master these systems now will be the ones dominating their markets tomorrow. If you're serious about taking your marketing to the next level, you need more than just one tool. You need a complete understanding of how to leverage AI across every aspect of your business. That's exactly why I created my comprehensive AI business mastery course. This isn't just another generic AI course. It's packed with over 300 proven prompts and step-by-step strategies that you can implement immediately. We cover everything from content creation to customer service, from social media animation to advanced marketing techniques. Best part? It's completely free. No hidden cost, no upsell, no catch. Just pure value designed to help you master AI tools that are reshaping businesses as we know it. Inside this course, you'll discover how to use AI for lead generation, how to automate your content calendar, how to create compelling copy that converts, and dozens of other practical applications that will save you time and make you money. If you want to master AI tools like this and get 300 plus free prompts to grow your business faster, grab my free AI mastery course right now. The link's in the description. Don't miss out. Stay dangerous.